In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find IMEI number on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings, then go to General. And then at the very top you can easily find About, just tap on it, and that's where you can find IMEI number. Just scroll all the way down until you find IMEI number just at the physical SIM section. You can just hold down on it until copy feature comes up. Then you can tap on it to copy this number to the clipboard, and after that you will be able to paste that number wherever you want. Also, keep in mind that there are two IMEI numbers in here, IMEI and IMEI2, because that device is actually two SIM device and it has two different IMEI numbers for physical SIM and for available SIM. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.